Every donkey journey begins here, inside a controlled and carefully monitored donkey livestock facility.
Each donkey undergoes critical health inspection. Veterinary teams carefully assess every donkey, ensuring regular.
Movement of every donkey is carefully coordinated. Structured pathways guide the donkeys from holding.
Beyond these doors, the donkey processing phase begins, where donkey raw materials enter a highly engineered system.
After clearance and documentation, raw materials enter the industrial chain. Every
inspection defines direction. Each material is graded for density, flexibility, and structural consistency before entering preparation cycles. In modern manufacturing, nothing is left undocumented. Digital systems create complete traceability from intake to final export.
Automation replaces uncertainty. Materials move through the facility with engineered timing and calculated flow. Preparation begins with controlled cleansing. Rotational motion and calibrated water pressure remove impurities without compromising fiber strength. Time, motion, and temperature. Each variable is calculated to protect structural integrity while preparing the material for stabilization.
chemical balance determines outcome. Precise formulation ensures consistency across every production cycle.
Behind every movement lies a network of sensors. Stability is engineered through constant environmental calibration. From above, complexity becomes choreography. Every section synchronized within a larger industrial ecosystem. In the donkey leather production cycle, stabilization defines durability. Massive drums rotate with calculated force. Fiber by fiber, the donkey leather structure transforms. Chemical infusion strengthens the internal matrix while preserving flexibility.
Precision governs every donkey batch. Digital oversight ensures uniform penetration, balanced chemistry, and consistent structural outcome.
Inside the chamber, motion and chemistry operate in harmony. The donkey leather gradually stabilizes through timed rotational sequencing.
After infusion, the donkey material undergoes neutralization, restoring balance within its fiber structure.
Pressure refines consistency. The donkey leather is compressed to eliminate excess saturation while preserving its engineered strength.
Uniform thickness defines performance. Each donkey sheet is calibrated to meet industrial specification standards. Strength is verified, not assumed. Every donkey batch undergoes structural testing before moving forward.
Scale and synchronization define the donkey production ecosystem. Engineering replaces unpredictability.
With stabilization complete, the donkey leather advances to refinement. After stabilization, donkey leather enters controlled drying chambers. Airflow, temperature, and timing are calibrated.
Moisture defines performance. Each donkey leather panel is tested to ensure optimal balance before refinement begins.
Tension restores structure. Donkey leather is mechanically stretched to achieve uniform grain alignment and dimensional stability.
Surface refinement enhances texture. Donkey leather is polished to reveal its natural grain while maintaining industrial durability. Color transforms identity. Precision spray systems coat donkey leather with uniform pigmentation, engineered for consistency and depth.
Heat locks the transformation. Donkey leather is thermally set to ensure resilience, flexibility, and long-term performance.
Pattern defines character. Through controlled embossing, donkey leather receives a refined surface identity tailored to industrial demand.
Precision edges signal quality. Donkey leather is trimmed to exact measurement before final inspection.
From above, donkey leather refinement appears seamless. Beneath the surface lies synchronized engineering and calculated motion.
In the donkey leather assembly phase, precision defines value. Advanced cutting systems shape donkey leather into calibrated components engineered. Every donkey leather panel is mapped digitally. Laser guidance ensures zero deviation from industrial design specifications. Automation organizes donkey leather components by dimension and classification, preparing each piece for structured assembly.
Strength meets craftsmanship. Donkey leather panels are reinforced through industrial stitching, designed for durability and long-term performance. Edge refinement elevates donkey leather from raw material to finished product. Precision finishing enhances both resilience and appearance.
Robotics accelerate donkey leather assembly while maintaining micron-level alignment across every structural joint. Brand identity is sealed into donkey leather through controlled heat and pressure, marking each piece with traceable authenticity.
Before packaging, every donkey leather unit undergoes detailed inspection to verify structural and aesthetic consistency.
Efficiency defines the donkey leather packaging cycle. Automated systems protect each product for secure distribution.
This video by Next Inside Process contains AI-generated visuals created for educational and documentary purposes.